billboard you see. Hmm.
ร่วมกันสังกัดกันนะการฆ่ามนุษย์ยังไงเราได้อยู่
โรดอีเต้นเหรอ Alright, let's take a look.
It kind of looked like that one. Yeah, and I was trying so hard to eat it, and I could barely get it.
Oh, getting hot. Very big, but not a lot of people selling now. Oh yeah, machete blades.
It can kill you.
Yeah. They don't have the fans. They just gotta manually do it. Oh, pig's foot or
Water buffalo?
water buffalo. Oh,
อันนี้ข้าวควายบ่
Hi, God.
ควาย
ควายเนาะอันนี้ควายหมด Oh yeah. Delicious. ควายน้ำ Oh Flower shop. All right. Yeah. A lot of flies. Fly paradise. So was this here? Was this the marketplace?
I think it is, because you see this building here?
Yeah.
The way Wayne tried to describe it to me was there was a French building, but this looks like they would have fixed it up, right? So you see the white part
yeah.
of the building?
Yeah.
I'm wondering if someone else old and then they fixed it better.
No, that could be because it's like a frame that it doesn't hold anything anymore.
Yeah, he said there were shops in there and then they spilled out into the street was the way he described it. So he was probably described it.
Yeah. Oh, he's just getting a hat.
Yeah, before that, he's taking Doxy right beside him.
Oh, okay.
Your skin can burn.